Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch has juice and your phone is ready. This matters because initial pairing can fail with low battery. First, connect the charger and wait until the LED shows charging. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the companion app, then press and hold the side button on the watch for about 3 seconds to power it on. You'll see the pairing screen. Make sure to allow permissions when the app prompts you, so the devices can communicate securely. Now you complete the pairing step by step. In the app, tap Add Device, select D18, and confirm the numeric code shown on both screens so you avoid accidental connections. Once paired, configure essential settings, choose language, verify the time zone, and enable notifications you want to receive. Then, go into Health Settings to select which sensors to sync. This determines battery use and data accuracy. Make sure to grant location and notification permissions, so alerts and to finish setup and use the D18 daily. Personalize watch faces and quick actions so your most used features are one swipe away. Lower brightness and limit always-on sensors to extend battery life. For workouts, start sessions either on the watch or in the phone app and sync afterward to save history. If things go wrong, power cycle the watch first. If that fails, repair it in the app and verify permissions and battery level. If problems persist, reset to factory settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.